I get this question a lot, and that is, what is the best currency pair to trade? This might be a question that you have. When you're going to trade for the day, what is the best currency pair to trade? That's a loaded question. There's a lot to it, so let's get into that right now. A lot of traders seem to think that there is one single best currency pair to trade. Out of all the different combinations that we have dozens and dozens of different currency pairs that we can choose from. Is there one that is better than any other currency pair? And the answer is yes and no. Now, no, there isn't going to be one pair like the Euro USD that you could just trade day after day and that'll be the best currency pair. What it's going to be is the best currency pair for the day for the system that you're trading. Are you using a range-bound type of trading system? Are you using a trend-following trading system? Are you using a counter-trend trading system? All of these things have to be considered when you're looking at the different currency pairs that you want to trade for the day. So you go through the different pairs that you're looking at and you find the pairs that best suit the style of your trading system, and those will be the best currency pairs for the day. And this is going to change day after day. Every day that you start, you sit down, you look at your charts, you assess what currency pairs are the ones that are the best suited for the trading system that you're trading, and then just trade those. Now let's take a look at a chart. I'm going to show you some different examples of how this does make a difference. So what we've got here is the pound Japanese yen. Now this is a great currency pair to be trading currently if your trading system is range bound in nature. And what I mean by something like that is we've got a market that's moving sideways. And if your trading system is one that says buy when we get to the bottom of a range and sell when we get to the top of a range, then this would be a great trading pair to be trading right now. On the other hand, if we were looking at something like this, this is the Euro USD. If your trading system trades a range-bound market, this would be a terrible pair to trade because we are not in a range-bound kind of condition. We are trending very strongly. This is another one. This is the Australian dollar, US dollar. Trading a range-bound system in a market that looks like this is going to be very difficult because we are trending. We're making bigger moves in one direction than in the other direction. Now, if we go back to something like this, where we're looking at the market being range bound, this would be ideal. If you are looking to trade a trend following system, then looking at charts that are moving with the trend that you can see previous trades. If you can take a look at a chart and see that, yeah, the last 2, 3, 4 trades that I would have taken would have been profitable, then that would be the best currency pair to trade. Again, if we're looking at something like this, if I'm trading a trend and I'm looking for the setups to say, yeah, the last 2, 3, or 4 trades would not have worked out, this is not the currency pair that you want to be trading. So what it comes down to at the end of the day is what pair best suits your trading system. Are you a range-bound trader? Are you a trend trader? Maybe you're a counter trend trader. Whatever the case is, you want to fit the currency pair, the market, to the system you're trading. I hope that helps. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And you have a great day.